What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today, as always, it's for beginners, not for experts, so if you're an expert, skip this video. Still think you're great though. So let's get started. Today we want to learn how to create vignettes inside of Premiere Pro. How do you add like the white vignette or the dark edges around your clip? Super easy, super quick to do. So what we're going to do is highlight our clip, go to Window, and then Lumetri Color. Make sure this window is popped open. If it's not, Window, Lumetri Color, lets you find it really quickly, even if it's closed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. There's a tab right here called Vignette. Drop down on this, and you can just scroll the vignette right here. Really simple and easy to do. I've added the vignette. Well, we want to make it white on the edges, make it more snowy. And that's it. That's how you add a vignette inside of Premiere Pro. Super quick, super easy to do, and can enhance your color grading skills over time. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan the QR code on the screen. Helps me out a ton.